Hello. You know who it is. And the hizzy in the house is Theta Sigma, the dog. And we are going to be talking about personal development, base levels, chemons, stored hospitality rates, all inclined into a cipher, read from walls. All you have to do is find a space, like graffiti, put all the information on the walls. It will guide you. Thus, you will be able to indicate exactly what is the truth, depending on variables and ciphers of what you can experience, what you see. We can make a completely different rule book for how the universe works. Completely different rule book for how computers work.